Yo guys, day 23, I will speak English every single day until get fluent. This is my challenge, this is my really big goal in dream in life, and I'm chasing it. So today I will do IELTS speaking questions, but I found a new tool on the internet. I just download a file, the list of IELTS speaking themes and questions. So I will pin it in the description or in the comments, and you can download it and use if you also want to improve your speaking. Just practice or take a look on IELTS exam. Yeah. First theme today is about animals. Not like this theme at all, because I'm not good at animals. Let's try to talk about it today. Let's deep into this theme. Do you have pets? Actually, right now I don't have pets in my dormitory room. Not because it's forbidden, just because it's not comfortable for us. We live in a really small room, 3 people, and if we will have a cat or dog, that's crazy. But in my hometown, in my home where we were born, there I still have a pet. There's still the cat, he's living there. He's a white color, white fur, pretty fluffy, and such a kind and calm cat. Yeah, I really love it. His name Vasya, this Russian man's name, and we decided to name our cat like this. Next question. What types of animals do you think makes the best pets? Obviously, the best pets is cats or dog, the most common type of pets in I guess any country in the world. Everyone likes cats because they're cute, they're kind, they're absolutely safety, not dangerous pets. And dogs because it's kind of friends for people. It's more smart, it can protect you in such a dangerous situation. So it depends on type of personality in every person. Also, we can consider the types like a fish in aquarium, maybe a snake, also in snakes aquarium, hamster, also fluffy, cute animal. Let's remember about parrots. Actually, I used to have parrots, but he's gone, he's dead, yeah. Why do people have pets? We can consider this like in several reasons. Let's imagine that you don't have a kids, don't have a wife, husband, you're totally alone, but you want to share your love with someone. And the best way to situation, I guess, just to get pets. Cute, calm cats or dog, small dog like Fluffy. Who you gonna share your love, feelings, just spend time with. It can definitely brighten up your weekdays and your weekends, just brighten up your life in general. But also not only if they feel lonely, just for example to buy it for kids, to teach them how to be responsible for someone, to they get used to just help someone to feel responsibility for someone's life. For example, small cats for children, for your children, it will be a good example. Needs to be careful with him, you need to always keep your eyes on him to save his life and feed him every single day. Or you can have a pet just because you love it, just because you love animals or you love some specifically types of animals. For example, you into dogs have been your whole life and you can't imagine your life without dogs. So even after one your dog will die, you will buy another dog, and for the rest of your life you will spend time with dogs. Like just a habit, just you love dogs. Are there any types of animals that you think should not be kept as a pet? Of course, there are a lot of types of animals. For example, dangerous animals like a tiger, lion, maybe some... Oh guys, right now I remember, please give me time, that actually in our dormitory we have pets. Our dear, lovely cockroaches. Yes, we have a lot of cockroaches in the dormitory, and sometimes in our room. Just we feed them, we share with them our food, like breads and crumbs. This is the good, because we are not gonna kill them. We really can't, people, and even cockroaches will be live with us in friendly atmosphere. So yeah, let's get back to our dangerous animals. What is tiger, bear? Bear when they're small, it's such a cute little like fluffy boy, but then he getting older and he's growing up, and after that several years this huge animal, huge dangerous with huge teeth, he's gonna just eat you in the knife and you will never be alive anymore. Alright guys, that's pretty much for today. Thank you everyone for being here. Really, I'm glad this interesting topic about animals. Yeah, let's continue, let's learn languages, let's do it guys. Let's go.